and reference angles. Yes. So again, the coterminal angle is an angle that has the same initial and terminal side. Okay. And a reference angle is the positive acute angle. So it's positive and acute. Okay. So it's the positive acute angle. Let's call this alpha prime, between the terminal side and the x-axis. So if this is theta, alpha, then your reference angle is going to be right here. So it's between your terminal side and your x-axis. So it's always acute. That means it's less than 9 degrees, but larger than 0. And it's always positive. Okay, so there's no direction to it. Whereas when we're drawing angles in standard form, we have this is the positive direction, this is the negative direction. So if it's the reference angle, it's just the positive acute angle, and that's it. The next one is, and then so the coterminal angles, all you simply need to do for a coterminal is just add and subtract 360 degrees. Now, this student was saying, how do you have to add, what about 48 radians? Well, all right, that's a little different. So if we're going to look at 360 degrees, let's go ahead and find 48 radians, which, dang, that seems crazy. So, all right, all the way around the circle is 2 pi, which is approximately 6.28 radians, right? So if we go around, that's 6.28. Right? If we go around again, that's going to be 12.56, right? So how many times around can we go before we can't go around anymore to get to 48 radians? So what I'll do is I'm going to do 48 divided by 2 pi. Okay, so what I did is 48 divided by 2 pi. And what I get is here a 7.639. Okay, so that means it can go in 7 times. So what I'll do is I'll do 7 times 2 pi. So that means that's going to be my rotations. And let's see what that is. 2 pi. That's going to be 43.98. So let's do 43.98. All right. And I'm working with approximations. So I'll do 48 minus 43 oh, that's a 98. So 48 minus 43.98. Oops. Oh, I was supposed to do the whole answer. All right. So 48 minus that answer. And what I get is a 4.01. Okay. So that equals 4.01. So what that means is I can go around this circle 7 times. All right. So I'm actually going to do this here just because I want to. Okay. So we're going to go around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it goes around 7, right? Because 7.63. So this is my 7th. And then after the 7 rotations, right? That's 7 pi. Or I'm sorry, that's not 7 pi. That's 7 rotations. Then I'm going to go 4.01. Well, hopefully you recognize 4.01, like pi, right, is halfway around circle. That's 3.14. So 4.1 is going to be like somewhere right around here. Somewhere, right? Not sure where it is. So if I want to find this reference angle, all I'm simply going to do is I'm going to take pi. I'm sorry. I'm going to take that answer. I'm going to subtract it from pi. And so if this is alpha, then my reference angle here is going to be a 0.876. All right. And if I want to find coterminal angles for 48 radians, just add and subtract 2 pi. Right? You can just take that angle and just keep on adding and subtracting 2 pi. There's infinite many answers there.